Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is SYAKINAH MARISKHA and I will be presenting our fundamental financial accounting and report for the course AC 407 presented by Group 7, which of the member is MOHAMAD IDRIS, MOHAMAD FAZREY, ASIKIN and me, SYAKINAH MARISKHA. So the company that we choose for this report is Asli Bina Venture. Moving forward, we have here the overview of the financial report. So number one, we have the background of company, of course. Number two is the business characteristic. The number three is the classification of business. Number four, the recording process of the Asli Bina Venture company. The number five is the strength and weakness of the company that we choose. So moving forward, we have the background, some basic background of the company. So the business name is Asli Bina Venture. The type of business is sole proprietorship. Date of registration is the 1st August 2014. So the business activity that Asli Bina Venture cover, which is most of general contract for construction. So the location of the company is 6B Jalan SS 4D/14 under postcode 47301 Petaling Selangor, and the board of director for Asli Bina Venture is Sheikh Muhammad Shazwan bin Mazlan. So moving forward, the background of Asli Bina Venture. So Asli Bina Venture actually is a leading Malaysia construction firm. Has unveiled its annual report and financial statement for the year ended December 13, 2019. This comprehensive review showcases the company's strong performance, strategic focus, and commitment to transparency in positioning it as a reliable partner in construction company. So when we talk about Asli Bina Venture in general, and its general action that they cover include the construction water, construction of landscape and roads, building material, cleaning of building and officer, lifting waste, providing performance, exhibition, entertainment, road decoration, and all sorts of things that need a construction company to handle. So Asli Bina Venture is one of the reliable company for this industry.
For this slide, which is business characteristic, as we can see, Asli Bina Ventures reported commendable net profit of RM63,580 of the year. So, it is demonstrating the ability to navigate challenges of the construction industry. For business characteristic, there are a few types of it. The first one, revenue. Second, gross profit. And the third is profit before tax. So, let's take a look for the first type of it, which is revenue. For this revenue, Asli Bina Ventures generate a remarkable revenue at 1,013,447 ringgit. So, for this revenue in this showcase, it shows strongly market presence and the ability to secure lucrative projects. For this gross profit, of this company, Asli Bina Ventures, is 63,518 ringgit. This gross profit is after deducting the cost of sale, which is RM 929,143 ringgit. This amount demonstrates its operational efficiency and effective cost management. So, for the last character, which is profit before tax, Asli Bina Ventures reported a profit before tax which is RM 63,518.
Classification of business. The company's detailed statement of comprehensive income provides a comprehensive breakdown of its revenue and expenses, including direct purchases, labor costs, maintenance costs, rental of lorry and machinery, and subcontractor expenses. Operating expenses include payroll, administrative expenses, and other items such as accounting and audit fees, depreciation, and rental of office space. Okay, let's look the classification of business. First is a revenue being RM 1,153.238. Second is cost of sales are RM 925,790. Third are gross profit is RM 227,448. Fourth are operating expenses is RM 208.234. Profit before tax RM 19,214. Tax expenses is RM 9,334 and last one is a net profit RM 9,880. This is financial statements as at December 31, 2018. There is ledger for non-current asset, current liabilities, net current assets. Also it shows capital and reserves. But not we looking for non-current asset to explain. It will divide to cost, accumulated depreciation and carrying amounts. Today I will shows only cost for this explanation. Now let's to review the accounting details for property, plant, and equipment, PPE, based on the provided data for the year ending December 31, 2018. We will go through the cost additions, accumulated depreciation, and carrying amounts, following double entry accounting principles. Let's start by looking at the initial cost of the assets as of January 1, 2018. Here are the balances. Computer and peripherals is RM 6,920. Furniture and fittings are RM 770. Motor vehicles is RM 6,800. Machinery and tools is RM 15,600. Office equipment is RM 1,800. The total cost as of January 1, 2018 was RM 31,890.
The recording process of business. The accounting cycle is a process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting event of a business. The accounting process begins with the source document or transaction and ends with financial statement. The accounting cycle consists of source document, journal entry, general ledger, trial balance, adjust entry, and financial statement. First, source document. It is the original document record containing the detail of business transaction. The source documents are typically written or used as evidence when auditor later review a company's financial statement and needed to verify the transaction have been recorded correctly. It usually records a business transaction, a specific amount of money, and the authorizing signature. The source document can be recorded using an electronic format and receipt. Asli Bina Ventures record their transaction using a computer and notebook. Second, journal entry. Asli Bina Ventures need to transfer the record into a journal entry. Journal entries are grouped into several recordings which are either debit or credit. Third, general ledger. It is an account or record used to sort and store balance sheet and income statement separation. Example of a general ledger account is an asset such as cash, inventory, equipment, investment. Asli Bina Ventures posts the journal to general ledger. 4. Trial balance. A trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into equal total, debit, and credit. Trial balance need to record periodically. Asli Bina Ventures record their trial balance monthly. 5th, adjust entry. An accounting adjustment is a business transaction that has not yet been recorded in the company's book on a specific date. Most transactions are eventually recorded by recording a supplier invoice, a customer billing, or the receipt of cash. Asli Bina Ventures do accounting adjustment. 6. Financial statement. As we know, financial statement present the result of operation and financial position of the company. But unfortunately, Asli Bina Ventures did not provide any annual report in financial statement. The recording process of business. The accounting cycle is a process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting event of a business. The accounting process begins with the source document or transaction and ends with financial statement. The accounting cycle consists of source document, journal entry, general ledger, trial balance, adjust entry, and financial statement. First, source document. It is the original document record containing the detail of business transaction. The source documents are typically retained or used as evidence when auditor later review a company's financial statement and needed to verify the transaction have been recorded correctly. It usually records a business transaction, a specific amount of money, and the authorizing signature. The source document can be recorded using an electronic format and receipt. Asli Bina Ventures record their transactions using a computer and notebook. Second, journal entry. Asli Bina Ventures need to transfer the record into a journal entry. Journal entries are grouped into several recordings which are either debit or credit. Third, general ledger. It is an account or record used to sort and store balance sheet and income statement separation. Example of a general ledger account is an asset such as cash, inventory, equipment, investment. Asli Bina Ventures posts the journal to general ledger. 4. Trial balance. A trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into equal total, debit, and credit. Trial balance need to record periodically. Asli Bina Ventures record their trial balance monthly. 5th, adjust entry. An accounting adjustment is a business transaction that has not yet been recorded in the company's book on a specific date. Most transactions are eventually recorded by recording a supplier invoice, a customer billing, or the receipt of cash. Asli Bina Ventures do accounting adjustment. 6. Financial statement. As we know, financial statement present the result of operation and financial position of the company. But unfortunately, Asli Bina Ventures did not provide any annual report in financial statement. Strength and weaknesses. Strength. 1. Maintenance of business record. It records all the financial transactions systematically in the book of accounts. It is not possible for management to remember each and every transaction for a long time due to their size and complexities. 2. Preparation of financial statements. Financial statements like trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet can be prepared easily if there is a proper recording of transactions. Proper recording of all the financial transactions is very important for preparation of financial statement of the company. Weaknesses. 1. Manipulation of accounts. The accountant or management can manipulate or misrepresent the profit of the company. 2. Accounting information is based on estimates. There are some accounting data which are based on estimates. Thus, accuracy in estimates is possible.